Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Okay, let's start our mathematics class. In last classes, we learned two new topics like a multiplication and subtraction with borrowing. Two and three digit numbers. So today we are going to learn two new topics like a shapes and data handling. Shapes, I think you knew from long, like from KG sections, you know what are the shapes, and yes, you have learned also. But this class, you have to learn with spellings. Okay, children? So let's start our journey now. So here we given some shapes. Okay, so the lesson new chapter is what shapes. Okay, like if we are giving here also only four types. Okay, try what is this shape? You know this is triangle. 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 Next, rectangle. 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 Next, square. 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 The last one is circle. 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 I think this all you know before, but please learn with spellings, children. Okay, only four shapes we are giving. Okay. So what is this now? Name the picture. Means name the following shapes. So first one is what? What is the shape name? Rectangle. 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 Next one is what? Circle. 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 Next one, triangle. 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 Square. 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 Okay, first one, rectangle. 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 Circle. Circle. Next. Triangle. 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 Square. 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 Okay, children? Next, match the following. Match the following. Okay? Match with shapes. This one, what is the shape of this object? Is rectangle. But where is the rectangle? We have to see triangle, circle, rectangle here. Okay, so make it. Next, what is this? This is the shape of square. Where is square? Triangle, circle, rectangle, square. Next, what is this shape? Circle. Where is yes? This is what? Not the outlet, dear students. This one. What is the shape of this? Triangle. Okay, children. So this is the match the following. This is what? Match with shapes. Okay. Clear? Means we learned here how to match with shapes, and we learned how to write the name of the shapes also. Please keep in your mind and given only few shapes, not like a so many. Okay. So we will enter the new topic as what? Data handling. What is mean by data handling? First, what is data? Data is nothing but information. Data is nothing but information. Handling is what? How we are proceeding. Okay, like how you are keeping your data. Like example, don't no need to go somewhere. Just think about your school bag. Think over your school bag. How we arrange the books. How we arrange the books according to our timetable. We have arranged our books. Yes or no? That one you can say data hand means like you are arranging according to the periods. You are arranging according to your what information means what you have received, what you have received the information means according to the timetable you are arranging your books. Like that, so many examples you can take it in your daily life. Like first of all, about your habits, about your food habits, everything food, like morning you got up and you what and all, so arrange it, and how many glasses of water, what everything, okay, you can arrange it in a proper way. Clear? So now here we will give you small questions. Okay, two questions are there, so please verify with that. Okay children, here see there is a picture, and all these data we will represent in the picture, we will represent in the picture. Okay, so now here grapes of orange, mango, banana, apple means five types of fruits are there. Grapes, orange, mango, banana, apple. Grapes, orange, mango, banana, apple. Okay. Questions here for you. Look at this picture. Look at this graph carefully and answer. Means this is called as a pictograph. Graph, picture graph, you can say. Okay, here some questions. How many children liked apples? Apples were here. So, how many children they like? 10 children. See here, how many children? 10 children they liked what? Apples. Apples, how many they like? 10 children. 10 children they like apples. Which fruit was liked the most? Which one? Here. This is the last one. Yes. So 11 children they love. So this is what? Mango. Mangoes. Okay. Which fruit was liked the most? Which is the fruit? Mangoes. The name of the fruit is called mango. Okay, mangoes. Okay, which fruit was liked the most is mangoes. Next, how many children liked oranges? How many children they like mangoes? Sorry, oranges. Here see how many? 7. How many children they like mangoes? 7 children they like mangoes. Were grapes liked more than bananas? Grapes here. And bananas is what? Same line. Yes or no? See here, grapes and bananas. Both are like same way. So 8 students only means 8 children, they love it. So were liked more? No. Were liked more? No, it's not. Okay. So now, how many children liked mangoes more than bananas? How many children liked mangoes more than bananas? Bananas, how many they like? Eight children, but mangoes, 11 children. So how many children liked mangoes more than banana means how many? From here you have to count. Okay, here leave it. This one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like that you have to write what? 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8. How many will be there? 3 children. Are you understand, children? This picture you called as a pictograph means all the data we are representing in the pictures. All the data we are representing in the pictures. So it is very easy to collect the information. So you can write, see here you are not doing any hard work. Yes or no? Are you doing any hard work over here? Nothing. You just see the names of the fruits and here number of the children. Here you write number of the children and here you are writing what? name of the fruits. Okay, so grapes liked by 8 children. Grapes are liked by 8 children, and oranges liked by 7 children, and mangoes 11, banana also 8, and apple is 10 children. Okay, children, this is the question. This is the question. So what is that? How many children liked apples? 10. Which fruit was liked the most? Mangoes. How many children liked oranges? Is 7. Were grapes liked more than bananas? No. How many children liked mangoes more than bananas? Are just 3 children. See, from here you have to count 1. Why? The same line. Leave same line like 1, 2, 3. Okay? Clear, children? Yes. So one more question is left for you. Just we will revise once again. Question 2, what? Here, see the pictures they given for us. Like a lions are there, ducks are there, deer is there, and tortoise also is there. Means and different types of animals are given. And here the two girls are looking. What is that? So answer the questions using the data. Okay, first, how many ducks are there? How many ducks are there? One, two, three, four. How many ducks are there? Four ducks. How many tortoises are there? Count it. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six tortoises. How many animals live in the zoo altogether? Means how many animals are there in the full zoo? Means here. How many animals are there? All we don't know. You have to count it. Count it. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many are there altogether? 16 animals are there in the zoo. 16 children, sorry, 16 animals are there in zoo. The zoo has 3 lions. Yes, the zoo has 3 lions. And what else do they have 3 of? In same number, another animal is there. Which is that animal? In the zoo, just there are 3 lions. In zoo, there are 3 lions. And how many other animal are there in 3 number? Deer. What is that? Deer. Yes, next. How many more tortoises do they have than lions? Do they have lions? See here how many are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. But here only 3 are there. So how many more? 3 more. How to make 6 minus 3? This number minus this number, then you will get what? How many? Okay, children? Next, number 7. How many deer and duck do they have all together? How many deer and ducks? How many are there? Count it. Bus count this and this. Okay? Nothing else. Just count these animals. Okay? How many? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many altogether? 7. The zoo gets 2 more deer. If the zoo get 2 more deer, how many does it have now? How many does it have now? The zoo get 2 more deer. 2 more means extra 2 you will get. So how many does it have now? Here how many are there? 3 are there. But when you get more 2, 3 plus 2, how many? 4, 5. So how many? 5. Are you understand, children? Or once again for you? How many ducks are there? Count it the ducks. How many are there? And you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tortoise? 6 are there. How many all animals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then how the zoo has 3 lions. The same number which animal is having? Deer. Okay. How many more tortoise do they have than lion? Is 3. Why? Because 6 minus 3. Okay, children. How many deer and duck? Deer and duck altogether count. Ducks and deers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now you get more 2 deer. Means if they will get 2 more, how many deer altogether will be there? 5. Understand, children? Thank you. This is your chapters. Okay. Learn carefully and do well. Okay. Thank you. We will meet you soon in next class. Thank you, children. God bless you all.